Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about Harry's shaving grooming kit for men, and it also you can use for women. What it is a shaving kit. It is made of German steel, which is very good steel in Germany, and they have like a store in DC and Maryland, so you can order from them. It's a $13 value and it's free. What the trial set will include is the shaving kit, 5 blades, shaving gel, 5 blades that you'll need, and it's good ergonomical grip so you can control how much you want to shave, and you have clean cut every time. And the cost is like $2 for a pack of 5 blades for a pack of 8. Well, Harry's give you 8 pack, and Gillette only gives you like a 5 pack for about $3.70. That's based on the cost to make. They say it is a 100-year-old company with the German factory that produced engineer blades for 100 years. They said they have 100% quality guarantee on every order at Harry's. And all you gotta do is go to harrys.com, and I'll provide the link at the end so you guys can get this great deal. And I'll also offer some coupon codes for like an Android smartphone. So the first person who watched this video will get have all the tech specs for their smartphone, so they can have you can check documents, watch movies, and all of it is free for like at least 1 year based on the subscription plan. So there's a lot of good features, and there'll also be a Photoshop, and it'll give you like a Facebook ebook, which is talk about like how to protect your information online. That's a own that's a free gift. I'll provide the website, which is harrys.com. Alright, let's dive into. Okay, we want to redeem the trial. Go straight inside. Okay, it's free trial set. As mentioned, it comes with weighted rubber handle, 5 blade razor cartridge, foaming shave, 2-ounce bottle, travel blade cover. It comes in tropical green, indigo blue, and bright orange. What you do next is hit the next step button. And it said, okay, the first free refill ships December 24th, and you won't be charged today. So they'll charge you like on the 24th for the first free refill, but you can cancel anytime. So what you do is you get the free trial. Then the same day you can just cancel for the refill. So you only just pay $3 US shipping. That's the only thing you need to pay. Products free, just pay for shipping. And it says if you want to continue on the refill, they'll take 5% off, which is, let's say it was originally priced at $16. Now it's just $15. It's like 5%. And it'll offer free shipping every refill. 15 blade, uh, 8 blades get you $15. $21, you get 8 blades, 1 gel. Family plan, you get 2 gel packs and 16 blades. Next step, all you gotta do is choose how often you shave. If you do it like 5-7 times a week, you ship every 2 months. 2 to 4 days, for every 3 months. 1 day a week, ship every 5 months. And then when you select your preference, hit the review order, and then it'll just come up with like oh, let's say you can add a mystery item for $5. It's random. Pretty much like find out what's in the box. Kind of like a mystery gift, but you just pay for $5 for whatever free gift. It could be a pen, it could be a logo, a T-shirt, some sort. And then you just create an account or sign up with your Facebook. enter the shipping address, payment method. So if you're not guaranteed with the product, it's on us, which means it won't charge you for it. This is 100% free for you. So if you want to contact them for Harry's, they have two forms of contact. By email, help@harrys.com. It's right here at the bottom of the screen when you get to the trial offer and then go through the steps. And also they have a phone number so you can call them. And you can follow them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you can see upcoming videos, product reviews, website reviews, how to make money, and cybersecurity tips. And I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.